It's just a
so they've
got
the high value target, and we're taking it off them.
Yeah.
Ah, right. Good one.
Beat me for a fiver.
I'll give you a tenner.
Blunt end, you've got a deal. You got plywood?
No.
You'll cover the thing,
Right.
I have used an offer that I cannot. Wait, no.
You cannot refuse.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Oh! 2 kills! If that hit you, I'm sorry. He's still.
Hey! Right.
Right, cover me.
Yep.
What's up with her?
Got you, fella.
Yeah.
For this. Right, cover me.
Hey! Dead bird.
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Well done. Good job, man. Yes. Nice, nice.
I know, I've got one from fire rate though, what's the issue?
You want to cover the left flank then? There's keep coming back in there. On left, coming left. There's one more. Oh, nah, you're good. Do I just go forward then? Move in, fire and move. Right, go. Come, come. Come, come. Wait for them.
Go.
Wait.
You pedal in, go.
Sorry, I did. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Magazine.
How many lives do they have?
Unlimited. Both teams unlimited.
Oh fuck, really?
You just gotta try and keep them in spawn though. You still playing with that sniper down there?
Oh, we're just go back here, but there's one still down there.
Yeah.
There's two down that way. One behind the tree, one behind the barricade.
Right, Junior, push. Junior, cover my push for that sniper. Ah, shit. I got him in the face. There's one right under your window, dude.
Quick, on the door.
He's hit. That's just 6. Get in! I've got no ammo!
Let's go!
Push!
Get with that.
Sweet! I need to close that door!
There we go.
Right, you gotta suppress him as he leaves. Ready? Wait. Huh? Dead man walker! Is that it then? In my hops still. Got him. You got him.
Just got the bones.
There's one up top.
Shot. Fucking trees.
Yeah. Are you still on the guy on the right?
Aye.
Yeah.
Good run.
Nice try. Yeah, got him, got him.
Good. Just on the shell. That's the fucking flame. Oh, it's gonna head the fucking out.
On the brow of the helm.
Sniper top, ridge line! Nice, still there, still there. I don't know.
Yeah, go.
Yeah. Third set of barrels far.
Aye, okay, I've not got a shot. There's
Right.
no trees.
Oh, mate, Emma! No. Oh, yeah! Nice!
There's one running.
Run in,
Balls right
run
to
up. What's the time limit, Greg?
There's me one, but these guys are taking their ass, so I'm going to lock their respawn in a minute.
It's brilliant. See, you just hit a barrel.
Right, what do you want to do? You want to go up?
Yeah.
Right, let's do it then. Come on.
There's one at the barrels here.
On the left, I see him. You got him. Right. You just slowly make up to these barrels. I'll go in front of you. This one. Got him, top. Got one left. How far is he? Down! Sniper down! Yo! I'm good! Down! Runners, top! One! Two up top! Far left, cover! Yep, got him. Sun's in my eyes. I can't see. Got him.
Go run past you, put this water.
Nice. Two. On the right. Shit, I'm out. I need to rebomb. Up a bit. Ah. What? Yeah! Woo! That was a f***ing effort, that one. Right, they're coming in fast. Mark, your side.
Yeah. Come up here. Shoot that fucking stuff.
There we go.
Yeah, good.
Someone on the right.
Got him. Big man, you ought to try and squeeze yourself in there and see if you can see someone just over here. Be careful though, get down and get really down. Do you want? They got ghillie. He's alright, he's getting pinned in. Coming on the left! Sharp left, out of my sight. Is anybody upstairs? You just want to head upstairs and see if you can get...
Get out of my house!
Get out of my house!
So I'm gonna get this one.
Magazine! Shoot them all! Gilly on the right!
How far, Joe?
About 50 metre.
Right.
Height. Easy. It's coming in. So once you get to a thick brush,
How close to the marshal?
you're about 10 metres off the marshal.
Last time, copy that. You're not. I've got that guy down in the far corner of Lambeth.
Left side of Love Shack. Go on.
Right, the fallen branches on the left-hand side up by the fire pit are one time's enemies.
Oh, oh,
In the building! Samuel, we're in the building!
Guys!
Guys, stop that!
Samuel, inside the building.
oh! You give me a semi. What? Go on. Another one. Sorry.
So, just give him hope, mate, and then kill him when he's 20 metres away.
Alright, giving hope. Right, you've got a guy 10 metres to your right there.
Right there. In front of the marshal behind that barrier. See the barrier right there.
Running left! Running left! Good call! Good call!
Lucky flanking.
Got him. Ah, nice hit! What's your plan? You want to go on the right and suppress them or left?
Do that!
Basically, we're here and just to stop them getting into one of the landed crafts that's got the drugs in.
Right,
Good!
who's top right?
We should probably get eyes
I'll
on
go
the
right.
cases as well.
I'll go top left.
Right, I'm on you.
What's your sniper? But yeah, no, I didn't care who you're talking about.
Aye.
Hold on, I'll get on the phone and see if anybody's messaged me. I'm a thumb on what? My fingerprint on it.
Oh, that was a shot. That was class.
That's here, he's there, he's there, he's there. I've not got any messages from me, so.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, eyes on. Sniper.
Come.
Up west.
Oh, oh.
Swing it, keep coming!
Not sure.
Oh, he's dead, he's dead.
Guy in black, got a shot here then.
Nice.
Kill a witch and they realise there's nobody shooting at them.
Take a knee for a sec. They just want to sit back and see us. They don't want to push.
They will stop shooting then they come to the castle.
Ooh.
Oh!
Oh.
He always popped up the wrong time then, didn't he? I saw that bounce off you!
It's just went bang, 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 it went.
It's this wind that keeps changing, man.
Getting better!
Higher! Aim higher!
Where's that one?
I don't know where that one is. Oh, there he's
Oh,
there.
there he is! Higher!
Nearly!
Ah, there it is! Ah, up! Mate, do you know how much I've got a fucking erase? Talking with you lot, man.
I just swear, that's all.
You just